This is my jam. Keep me partying to the AM. Y'all don't understand. Make me throw my hands in the air, air. Hey, it's my jam. Y'all don't understand. I'ma make you understand what's pumping in my CD player. Party all night like yeah. Shawty got her hands in the air. Make me wanna take it there. There I go, here I go. Yeah, that's my song. DJ, bring it back. I'm in my zone.
Do you know why you're here?
Yeah, like my bro hit me up and he's like told me there's a bunch of bitches here, so like I thought I'd come through and see like, you know, what I can get, you know, like just look for some bitches, you know.
Who's that girl you were talking to?
Which one? You mean like the one with like the curly hair or whatever? Oh, like her name's like Rachel or like Kendra or I don't know. I think it's Kendra, but you know, she's cool. Like I like her.
Tell me about her.
Well, you know, like she got a donk, you know, and she got it going on up here. So, like in that regard, I like her, you know. But like, I don't know, she was up all on me. She gave me a number. Like, so I know she's DTF, I'm DTF, and like, you know, she was talking about my muscles, and you know, like, and I like my muscles too. So I could see us going places, maybe.
Are you gonna call her?
Maybe, you know, like, if I can't find anything else, like, it was like 2, like, I'm still looking for bitches right now, but, like, maybe I'll hit her up, but she lives, like, 45 minutes away, so it's, like, kind of far for, like, a booty call, but, you know, we'll see what happens.
Do you have a boyfriend?
What? I can't hear you.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Do I have friends?
Do you have a boyfriend?
No. I met this cute guy here, but I gave him my number, and I should hear from him, right? I mean, I gave him my number. I'm cute. He's cute. Isn't that all that matters?
That apple bottom, she got it look good all in my face. I like when they lose, Patron get abused. DJ last got them on pimp juice. She bringing it back, throw around and give it the stacks. I gotta give it the cash. Look what she do when they ask me if I think shorty fine. Damn right, I'm about to lose my mind. So stacked, know how to make that body wine grind. I wanna press rewind, I give it to me one time, give it to me 2 times. Slow ride, I must say I like when them freeze. Get Lucy low to the flow in them jeans. Hey baby.
Do you know why you're here? I'm just trying to meet new people, you know, get out there. Have you met anyone yet? There's just one really hot girl I met. I was afraid to talk to her, but then she came to me instead. What did you like about her? She was definitely hot. Really nice body, hot ass. And we had a lot of common interests, like she really likes to eat pastries, so do I. Did you get her number? Actually, I gave her mine.
Police shut us down. Police shut us down. Police shut us down. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sun.
You having fun?
Fun? Yeah, I'm having fun.
Meet any cool people?
Yeah, I've met a lot of cool people. I'm eager to meet new friends, you know? I got this one girl's number.
You like girls?
Yeah, I guess I like girls. This girl's name was Jasmine. I found out we live really close to each other, you know? I'm hoping to maybe call her up and take her out to the street. Yeah, that'd be really cool.